Hello again, I'm Kenichi, a representative of Chiba Cycle. Today I will explain is how to inflate tire by this pump. Actually, I made it maybe it was 6 years ago, but the quality of the video is not so good nowadays, so I decided to renew it. So today I need a partner, of course, and she's a beginner for inflating the pump, so it's really nice sample. So come on here. Today's partner is Mina. Mina is an English teacher working upstairs of Chiba Cycle. Second floor. Really nice English teacher, and she's also one of the YouTubers of Chiba Cycle, helping making video. Okay. So today's video, let's begin. So firstly, I have to explain is the type of valves. In Japan, there are 3 valves. So I will show all of them. So please check these bicycles. Okay. So this is Mamachari in Japan, like popular bicycle, but in Japan it says Mamachari. And this bulb is this shape. This is English bulb, we say, or globally maybe woods or a Dunlop bulb, I think. Okay. And actually this is not so common for sports bicycles, but in Japan you can see a lot of these bulbs. Okay. And next one is this shape. American bulb, or maybe Schrader. Globally, they will say Schrader, but in Japan, American bulb. Okay. And lastly, this is maybe the most commonest.
Most common.
This is French bulb, French style, or we will say pressed bulb. Okay. Thin one. Okay. So when we inflate the tire by pump, so this should be compatible for all. And this is for it. Okay. And we also need to check maximum pressure for the tire. So pump should be with gauge. Before the explanation of using pump, I have to explain is the maximum pressure for each tire. So each tire has the right like this. It says the maximum pressure and minimum pressure basically. And the pressures units are maybe 3. One is kilopascal, and another one bar and PSI. And basically PSI and bar units are common for sports bicycles. So today I will explain about both bar and PSI. So let's check this tire. The maximum pressure is around here, you can see. And it says for PSI from 60 to 95, and for bar it says from 4.1 to 6.6, and kilopascal for 10 to 660. And look at this pump. This gauge also has the bar and PSI, right? So you can inflate the tire appropriately by using this gauge. If the maximum is 6 bar. Of course, until 6 bar, you can inflate like that. There are lots of pumps, but the best way is to have or to purchase like high pressure pump. This is actually this is so. If you have a high pressure pump, it's very easy to inflate tire. Okay, and now I will explain how to work this pump. Of course, with pushing this, there will be discharge from here. And look at this. There are two holes. Okay. And this one is for American. And this one is for French and English. Next is the function hole or for each valve. Okay. So firstly, I will explain is English valve. This one. So when you want to discharge air from the tire, please remove this one counterclockwise like this. Okay, it's very easy. And when you wanna inflate the tire, please add this one here and close the screw. Okay. And we will use this hole, small one, okay, like this, and pull up the lever here, okay, and you cannot remove the hose from the valve thanks to this lever, okay, and please add air, okay. This is a way to inflate English valve tire or tube. Next is an American valve, Dunlop valve. So please remove this cap, and you can see the pin in the middle, right? And when you push this, you can discharge air, okay? This is a way to discharge air from American valve. And to inflate it, of course, this pump. And please use this big hole for American valve, okay? Starting like this, and lever, and push this, okay? Lastly, French valve. Press the valve. Okay. So please remove the cap from the top, and you can see the pin also. And there is a small screw here. So please run this anti-clockwise. And after that, you can push this. This is the way to discharge air from the tire. Okay. And for inflating, please use small hole. Pull up the lever and add air. After you inflate the pump, please take care of this. Just one thing. When you remove this, of course, you will put this down, right? And after that, please take care to remove this. Not to do this vigorously, like okay? This is cause of bending this pin. Okay, if you did, maybe you have to change the tube. Okay, so please take care for releasing this, like vertically and kindly, is very important. Okay, and after that, please run this clockwise, tighten this, and use this cap here. Okay, this is just a caution from me. I will do an old procedure. Okay, so firstly I have to check this maximum pressure. Okay, and it says from 65 to 100 psi. So I will add maybe till 80 psi. Okay, so let's remove this cap here and run this anti-clockwise. Okay, and put this pump using this small hole here. Good. And put up the lever like this. Okay, and pumping. And please look, I told was till 80, right? So this means here. Okay, pumping. Okay. Good? 80, right? So, removing this carefully. Okay? And lock the screw. Okay? And please add the cap here. So lastly, the beginner, Nina, will try this.
Super beginner.
Okay, it's
Okay.
much better for viewers. Okay, so try it.
Yes, I've never
I explained
inflated.
it, right?
Yes, I've never inflated a tire ever because, as you know, I work at Chiba Cycle, so I can ask the Chiba Cycle staff to inflate air into my mama chariot. A chariot for moms. So yes, this is the very first time.
Try
I'm
it.
gonna try it. Oh my god, I'm
After
nervous.
telling it, you how to do it by yourself. Okay?
Can I just ask the Chiba Cycle staff to do it?
I will. Okay, try it.
Okay. So as far as I can remember, I have to check the pressure. Like how much over here. It says. No, that's the size of the tire.
So how is it?
I say okay here, I can see it from here. It says inflate to 65 to 100 psi. Okay. So I can see psi here on the outer outer side of the gauge. So and then next, now that I know that, I'm gonna have to deflate.
Deflate?
Yes. I'm gonna unscrew the cap and then unscrew this little screw here. Can you see?
Yeah.
Not all the okay. It doesn't go all the way, so I'm just gonna push it.
Right.
Is it right? Ah, there's my air.
Okay, great.
Good enough? Good enough? Okay. Now I'm gonna have to get the pump. I'm a fast learner. I'm so proud of myself.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm gonna use the small one.
Small one.
Okay. Ooh. And then I'm just gonna insert the smaller. Is it small? Anyway. I'm gonna insert it gently.
More.
More?
Mm.
Okay, then
Okay.
from the liver. Wow, I need energy, I need force here. Okay.
Okay.
Is that good? Okay. Now it's pumping time.
Yeah. Exercise.
Okay.
Mm.
Do I extend? Okay.
Yeah.
I need to extend shoes because I have to do it. It's so hard to pull this.
Yeah, great. You can be a Chiba Cycle.
Yeah, it's a good bicep
Mm.
and tricep exercise. Okay.
Okay,
My
great.
arrow should reach 80, and I think it did.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, and then wait. Next is I'm gonna have to undo the lever,
Mm.
right? And ouch, and then pull it gently.
Gently. Okay, great.
Ooh.
And
And then screw.
Yeah.
Screw the little screw,
Mm.
and then seal it in the cap.
Wow, great.
Yay!
Chiba Cycle is a professional shop specialized in sports bicycles and celebrated its 46 years of establishment in 2019. We are running 3 bicycle shops in Sagamihara city and 2 in Fujisawa under the corporate philosophy of aiming to contribute to the society by imparting the potential of sports bicycles to our customers and providing enjoyment and keeping them healthy. As a professional dealing with sports bicycles, we have deep expertise, profound knowledge, and of course to repair it. If your working place or living area is very near from here, in that case, please use Chiba Cycle as your favorite shop.